The second IBS provoking mistake that people make is eating in a hurry. Habitually rushing meals and underchewing your food quickly leads to indigestion and a buildup of toxins, both of which provoke IBS. You see, digestion actually begins in the mouth with the action of saliva and mastication, which, as well as helping to liquefy food, starts the chemical process of digestion. Rushing while you eat means you swallow underchewed food. Some of this fails to digest completely, and upon reaching the colon overfeeds naturally occurring bacteria which live there. As these bacteria proliferate, they release toxins that attack the mucous membrane, causing inflammation, pain, and elimination problems, all of which are common to IBS. Chewing food adequately is especially important when you eat healthy foods naturally high in fibre. Things like fruit, vegetables, and whole grains such as brown rice or whole wheat bread. In fact, underchewing your food is one of the main causes of IBS in the first place. It's not just the food that's the problem, it's just as much about how you eat it. So chew your food properly. This is the thing you can change easily. It just takes a little determination and patience to break the old habit. Try this simple experiment for the next few days and see if it helps relieve your IBS. At each mealtime, start by bringing your awareness to how you're feeling, how hungry you are. Are you sitting calmly and prepared to take some time out and enjoy this meal? Now, as you start to eat, focus on the food in your mouth. Focus on the chewing. Start to count how many times you chew each mouthful. Do this for, say, 3 mouthfuls or so, then try increasing the number of chews by, say, 10 or so with each subsequent mouthful. Keep doing this until you reach something like 30 chews per mouthful. Notice how the consistency of the food in your mouth becomes softer, more like a puree or mash. You might find this a bit weird or even unpleasant at first, but don't give up. It's quite normal. Try doing the same thing later that meal, or the next time you eat something. Ideally, the food you swallow should always be like this, like mash or puree. Of course, it depends what you're eating. A soup is ready to swallow, that goes without saying. There's an Ayurvedic proverb that says, drink your food and eat your drinks. Basically, slow down. Take your time. Savour each mouthful. So try this out. Aim to chew each mouthful more than you normally do, and see how you feel after a few days. I challenge anyone who doesn't get fast results.